Go on over to the new channel, Blossom Your Creativity, to see the DIY instructions for the rainbow pot.
If you'd like to know how Debbie did these projects, please go over to the new channel and see how she did it. You will be amazed. Here we're back at my daughter's place again for part 2.
Part 2 of St. Patty's Day.
Oh, we're going to have some new crafts that she did.
So some of those things are the same, but there's a couple things that are different. I wonder if you noticed right away. Let's focus in and see what those items are. So we'll start at the top, the cookies. So I used Model Magic to make those cookies and a mold. And then I just painted them, and in the middle I used a gold paint pen and I outlined the clover, and then in the middle I used green paint and some diamond dust.
Look how it shines.
So pretty.
Very pretty.
And those were supposed to have been used for another project I was gonna make. That's why there's only 3. But again, never have enough time to do all these projects. I'm so ambitious, but can't ever get to them. So, but I mean, now they're done. So next year, I won't have to do them.
And next year you can put other things up to go with it better.
That's right. What my original plan was, I'll do next year. So.
And this one, I was really impressed. Can you tell what it is?
It is an ice cream. Look at how cute. I love it. And underneath that is a piece of styrofoam from the Dollar Tree. And I put Mod Podge and spackle on top, and then put the sprinkles on it. So cute. And look at all the different sprinkles.
And look at the little hat on the stem.
And then I made my little bow for that. And I actually got that idea from a girl on Facebook. Her name is Crystal with Glitz and Glue, and she made a big one. She likes to make really big items, but she made a big ice cream. So I saw that idea and I was like, ooh, I could use that for this display.
I think it looks great.
Yes, I like it.
Love all the beautiful little sprinkles you have. I couldn't believe it. It's so
And there are
pretty.
3 different sprinkles, and I just added them all together, and I got those sprinkles from Play Code 3. I know we've featured them in
Past
post. So go and check them out. They have lots of different sprinkles for the different seasons and holidays.
And now should we go to the side?
Yes.
Look at this.
And so this is my rainbow pot of gold. Rainbow ice cream pot of gold. I don't know what you want to call it. But so those are the little pots from the Dollar Tree, and I put some hot glue around the rim and put those same sprinkles on. And then to make my ice cream, I used clay, different colored clays. And then I just twirled them on there, and the hard part was making all of the colors, because a lot of the colors that you see there, or almost all of them except for the yellow, I have to make them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I have to blend different colors to make the clay color. So that took me forever. But I made extra. I learned. Let me make a bunch extra so I'll have it the next project. So it won't take so much time.
You're getting better and better at figuring these out.
I am. So I thought those were super cute because I really wanted some color, like a rainbow. But I saw this again on Facebook. I don't remember this girl's name, but she actually made cupcakes with this topping just the way I did, but then she added a rainbow with little clouds. It was so cute.
Oh.
But I didn't want to copy her completely. So.
Why not? I like copying.
So I just took the rainbow ice cream look and put that on my little
And we're
pots.
saving this for next year, and we're going to build upon this one too, right?
Yes, I have a different idea, but I can even take that top off of there and use it in another way. So, because I didn't really secure it real well, because I had an idea I was going to use it on something else. So.
And keep in mind, Grandma and Debbie believe in repurposing.
That's right. And on that, once I applied my layers of Model Magic, you should actually wait for it to dry, but I was under a time crunch, so I did not wait, and they look okay. And then I applied some Mod Podge over the clay, and then I added my combination of regular regular glitter, and then some diamond dust.
It does make such a huge difference. The diamond dust really does sparkle.
Yeah, it's so I sometimes it leaves because it's chunkier, so sometimes it leaves more spaces open. So I try to use the combination, but the diamond dust it's like little pieces of glass, so that's why it sparkles so much. It's so beautiful.
Pretty. It is.
So everything else on this tier was
The same.
here in the previous post, except for those
for the
3
centerpiece.
items that we added that were DIYs. So
I think the new centerpiece was beautiful.
I know, and I hope you guys like. My favorite is the little ice cream topper.
I love it.
Rainbow look.
Love it, love it, love it. Now let's go down what little changes we made down here. Not many changes here at all, but just a few.
And I took the clover that was on the top, and I brought it down because I think that one looks better there.
It does.
So I just changed that. But everything else, and then I brought the little lucky sign down a little bit. You can barely see it.
I know.
That's okay.
You're right. It's almost hard to even see it's there.
Yeah, but that's okay. I just need to place it somewhere. But that, and then the little, I don't know what you call that.
A little pick there at the bottom to give a little more contrast.
Yeah.
And this is the only really big change we made was what?
I added a little tie for my leprechaun.
Now the leprechaun is all set. He's got his hat, his tie, and his pipe.
Yeah, so that's what he wears when he's at home relaxing. We'll have to find him some clothes to go out in public, because that might not be appropriate.
It does sound like he needs some clothes.
Yeah. But the tie, my husband had that. I got it from the thrift store, actually. So he uses that sometimes when we go to St. Patty's parties. But we haven't been to one of those in a while, so
A couple of years.
it's been sitting in the closet. So I thought, hey, we can use that today.
Well, I guess that's it for this one, right?
Oh wait, I have one more change.
Oh, what other change? What else did I miss?
No. We're gonna pause it and.
Oh. Well, you know, Grandma's getting a little older and forgetting things. Do you see what Debbie brought and changed? Leave us a comment if you did. Now, you want to tell them what I forgot?
No, just that we changed something. And what was that?
You want me to say? The tie.
So that one's that's when he goes out on the town. That's some glitzy tie.
He's like Grandma. He likes a little bling.
Little
in his life.
bling.
Yeah.
I need a little bling in my life. But Mom said it kind of matches with the pipe, so.
It does.
So there you go. We got a little blingy leprechaun.
Learn something new every day. We didn't know there were blingy ones out there, did we?
No, we didn't. All
Well,
right.
I guess it's time to say bye-bye. Hugs and kisses from Grandma, Sandy, and Debbie.
And if you're not already subscribing, please consider and leave us a comment what you like best. Did you like the lights on or did you like the lights off? Did you like the first tie or the second tie?
Well,
Oh, and did you like my
centerpiece.
my rainbow?
I think, truthfully, I like the new centerpiece the best because of the rainbows and the cookies and the beautiful ice cream. I thought that was super cute, and I can't wait to see what she does next year with these pieces. Won't it be exciting?
I believe.
Well, do you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Bye!